Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to freeze your PureGym membership. Okay, so first of all what you have to do, you need to keep this thing in your mind before going to freeze your membership. So you can see the core and off-peak members are allowed to freeze their membership up to for 3 months, within 12 months for 6.99 euros per month. Okay, and where if you have plus membership you can allow freeze for up to 3 months within 12 months, and those 3 months plus members can continue to freeze with the same pricing. Okay, so to freeze your membership you need to log in into your members account. So the link is this one. I will provide you this link in our video description box. You can visit on this page and you can enter your email ID and you can enter your pin, and then you can select manage your gym pass, and then you can freeze or cancel your membership. So this is the easy method to freeze your membership of PureGym. Now if you have any other questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and you can also contact with their customer support team. They will also guide you how you can freeze, or you can directly visit your nearest home club. Then you can also directly cancel your membership at your live presence. Okay, so this is the method. Now if you have any other questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.